Yeah, the birds have to survive. These these birds are out here feeding pretty heavy this morning, but me and Lainey, we're getting set up. Yeah, we've kind of got cabin fever. We've had a lot of ice this week, and that's what all this is. Huh? Bunch of ice.
That's super slippery.
But other than that, it's really nice out here. It's about 35 degrees, but there's no wind blowing. She's wearing me out. There's no wind blowing. Looks like there's a lot of bait fish out here. Hopefully there's a lot of fish out here. But we're gonna get set up and get some bait in the water, y'all. Probably gonna be sitting in the truck. We got honey buns and coffee and Nate and Nessie on the iPad, so we're gonna be doing pretty good in there. So all right, y'all, let's get this bait in the water. All right, y'all, there's our bait. We got I probably caught 4 or 5 times that. I let a bunch of them go this morning. One throw, they were schooled up. I got fillets here. That's how I like to do it a lot of times, because with these circle hooks, I can double hook them, and I still feel like I make a pretty good hook set. But about like that, and still I feel like that works. Seems to work for me. And I double hook it, that way I can really chunk it out there. But all right, we're gonna get bait on the rest of these and get them out here. All right, y'all, we're getting this bait out here. I'm risking it walking over the ice. Gonna have to walk down here anyway though when I get a fish. But yeah. All right, got this bait in the water. Let's see if we catch a few.
We press on the screen so it can go to where we're gonna watch.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
What are we gonna watch?
Cinderella.
Cinderella, awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, well let's get it started. What else we got? We got in here a honey bun. Yeah, and I got some coffee, and you got some milk. Okay, well.
And why is my sleeves wet?
Because you was doing stuff you wasn't supposed to.
Oh, hands like that.
All right, well, we're gonna watch our pose, y'all. Well, and Cinderella. Oh, there we go. Oh, he had a pretty good pull on it at one time. I thought he might have set that hook. He might still have it. There it goes, starts to. Let me see. Oh, this is one that got messed with earlier. And he fooled with it a little bit and then left it alone. Well, I wonder if we don't have him hooked. Yeah, he's on there. He ain't very big, I don't think. But he's on there. Oh, he ain't terrible. He might have hooked himself earlier when he was fooling with it and just lay there. I've had him do that. All right, y'all. Hope I don't fall. Oh, slippery down here. Come on in here, buddy. Yeah. He don't want to come up. Man, there he is. He ain't real big. He just got himself tangled like they do. Yep. All right. We're going to keep a few today. And he looks like a good one to start with. Man, I'm going to fall today, y'all. Ooh. All right. Yep, that hook didn't have him real good. What's that in his throat? He's been eating mussels out there. Yep, he's been eating up them mussels and snails and things out there that get on the end of my hook right here. Oh, here comes Lainey. She's got to see it. Yes. Oh, I'm going to fall. There Lainey just went, y'all. Are you okay? That burn your hands?
No.
No, be careful. Here, look at this fish.
I see it.
Okay, let's keep him. You want to? Be careful and I'll help you. We're going, oh, be careful, fish. We're going to put him right there. He'll be fine. All right, y'all, I'm going to bait that back up. Well, I was reeling this in to move. I never saw it get a bite. Lainey's got to go to the bathroom. So we was packing up. Oh, there's a fish on here. What the heck? That's a nice surprise. Oh boy, I'm about wiped out. Yeah, that's crazy. Never saw it get a bite. But we got to run to the store down the road here and take her to the restroom. He's probably been on there a while because he's got himself all tangled up. And then we're gonna come back, I guess. All right, well, I'll get him untangled, but there he is, y'all. Another keeper.
This is also Joe.
Okay, we're back from the store. Lainey, what'd you get?
She said that got a dipping stick.
Juicy Drop Gummy Dipping Sticks.
Yes.
Let me see those. Juicy Drop Gummy Dipping Sticks. Oh, cool.
Hey, give me.
Well, wait, I gotta open the middle.
Okay.
Oh, I see now.
Give me.
Ooh, that's gonna be messy. No worse than the fish scales and stuff and that I put in here. And I'm gonna wrap this up and stuff it in my door. It's in my trash can. All right, enjoy. Don't get it all over you. Oh, get it. Get it. There. Oh. Come on now. He slacked my line. Well, he's still got it in his mouth. He's still fooling with it. Trying to work on my patience, y'all. I think he's got it in his mouth.
Here you go, Daddy.
Lainey, baby, I'm trying to catch this fish. Yeah, we got him. I still feel like I did that a little soon, but I can't help it, y'all. I've used J hooks for so many years, and once I see that rod tip go down a little bit, you know, I was quick to set the hook. Not saying my hookup ratio was any better, but yeah. Patience is not something I have enough of when it comes to fishing. Well, when I'm getting a bite. When it comes to sitting, I can sit here all day, but anyway. Quit your rambling, Johnny. We got us another one. He's a little smaller. Oh yeah, he had that hook and that bait in his mouth. Huh? Okay, walk slow, be careful. Laney's got to see the fish. Don't get in the mud. You didn't wear your water boots today. There he is.
Hi.
Hello, Laney. All right. Uh-oh, Laney.
What?
This line right here just went really slack, y'all. Let me throw him in here. Laney, run up there, baby.
Run up here?
Yeah, run up here. Let's see what's going on. Well, I thought we had one run into the bank with it or something. I just saw that line just fall. I don't think that... Uh-oh, look at here. Shoot. Got it. Man, we just needed to leave and give them a break and come back. Laney, we got another one, baby. Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah, but your butt's wet. Now that line's going slack, y'all. Oh, this one feels like I'm hung up. Oh, shoot, we're gonna give him some slack. Yeah, now that line just went slack. Laney's got a wet butt now, so I want to put some slack in this and just set it there and see what's going on here. Laney, up here. A rascal. She just can't be still, y'all. Well.
That's so close. I almost slipped and floated.
Well, that one's not doing anything. That's odd how they both just went slack. I bet my weight got hung up in something. Yep. Dadgummit. Well, I'm just gonna let this one sit here, y'all.
Okay.
Well, I'm just gonna let this one sit here, y'all, with some slack and see if he gets himself out. All right, well, that was a little bit of excitement. We only got one fish out of it, but I hooked that one. This line went slack, then this line went slack. This one's got one on it. I can see it moving the line, but I don't know if he's got it loose yet. I don't know if it's wrapped around something. Oh, look here. I don't know if it's wrapped around something or if just the weight's hung. This one might be hooked. Maybe. Well, come on. I had to make Laney get in the truck. I had to get a little rough with her. She's got her butt wet and her legs wet. This one's slack. That little turkey. She don't know that she's got to stay dry out here when it's this cold. She hasn't learned that lesson yet. Let's see. Yeah, this one's on there. Yep. He got the hook in him. This other one, I really hope that fish gets itself loose. Whether he stays on there or not, I've done had to re-rig one today. Well, let's walk down here. I think it's warming up a little bit. I think it's ice and stuff's getting a little softer. There he is. Another little eater. Yeah, buddy. All right. Throw him in here. We got 4 now. Looking good. I'm going to bait this one back out, and then we're going to check and see if this guy, look at that line. I don't know if y'all can see it. That line's moving pretty good, but we'll check on him here in just a minute. All right. Well, me sending her to the truck didn't last long, did it? Well, let's check on this guy, see if he's freed us. Nope. Well, we'll break it off. Hopefully the weight breaks off and we get a fish. Oh, come loose, y'all. Come loose, yeah, buddy. It felt like whatever I was on broke or something.
Is that a catfish?
Yeah, it's a catfish.
Are we gonna keep him?
Yeah, we're gonna keep him.
Yeah, that's him.
Oh, Lainey. Y'all, she's gonna get excited. We ate one of these a while back and she loved it. It was like a chicken nugget, she said. Walk slow. Look what we got.
Wow, fishy.
You know what kind of fish that is? Look at it. What kind of fish is that? It's a drum.
Drum!
Yeah. You want to let it go?
No.
What do you want to do to it?
Keep it.
Why?
Because we're super starving.
Oh, we're not starving, but we ate one of these, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, you liked it, huh?
Yeah.
She said, Dad, you got any more of that drum? So, I don't know. I'm going to put it in the little holding area here, but it really wasn't bad, y'all. I soaked it in hot sauce and fried it, and it was more like the texture of chicken. But anyway, there we go. There's the troublemaker got us hung up. But we might let him go later. But all right, y'all, I'm going to bait this back up. Laney's about to get wet again. Laney, get up there, baby. You stinker. Let's go get us some bait. All right, well, I tried to catch Laney a ballerina, and she was out there spinning and stuff on the ice. Like a little ballerina, huh?
Yep, a bat ballerina.
Yeah, whatever. But my weight broke off on that one. I had to tie a new one on, but that's kind of the point of this rig. This drop line here and this weight's on weaker line. It's a 20-pound test. And weaker knots too, in my opinion. I just use a clinch knot. Don't mean it's not a good knot, but I don't think it's as strong as a trilene knot. And you know, this broke off and I got to keep the rest of my rig and my fish. That's how it's supposed to work every time, but it don't. But a lot of times it does. Anyway, we're gonna get this back out there, y'all. I think we're about to catch a ballerina in action. Well, no, that wasn't a ballerina. Oh, shoot. Oh, oh crap. Well, I don't know what happened, y'all, but I just had a reel break. Holy moly. Laney? What? We gotta pull this one here in by hand, I guess. My reel just went kaput. Well, now I'm tangled up in the fishing line. Y'all ain't there. Don't tell nobody about this, y'all. This is embarrassing. Now Laney's wanting to throw snow crystals at me. Biggest one of the day, I think, and I had to drag him in barehanded. Oh, yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah, I'll bring him to you just a second. Yeah, that's a pretty good blue there, y'all. Oh. Yeah, I hate that. Them quantum optics have always been pretty good reels for me. But anyway, y'all, here he is. I'm gonna go show Laney. Laney, looky here. See him? Okay, that's good. Good enough. No. I gotta fix a fishing pole. Yeah, we're gonna keep him. We're gonna put him in the little holding area over here. All right, y'all, we're gonna put him over here. He's probably a teener. Okay, let's see if I can fix my reel. All right, well, man, that sucks about my reel. That's two in about 2 weeks, but I've had those a long time. They've always been real good reels, but I guess they gotta wear out sometime, huh? But before we had left to go to the store, I'd caught 2 fish out there in the same spot, and you know, I had my rod spread out pretty widespread. Well, when we got back, I kind of focused them all in that area where I'd caught those 2 fish, and you know, we was a little over an hour first time we was here, and then this camera's been going about 41 minutes, and we've caught 3 more catfish in a drum, I think. But we're gonna hang out and see if we can catch another 1 or 2. Laney, she's been out here playing. She's got wet, but she seems very cheerful still. So we're gonna sit in the truck. I'm gonna drink a cup of coffee. Let's see if we catch another one. You got it? I wonder if he's on there. He hit it hard enough to be on there, I think. Yeah. We got him. We got him. So Laney got Juicy Drop gummy dipping sticks at the store. That's what I'm chewing on now. They're super sour. Look at that one. That rascal. He's on there. Well, let's get this one in and we'll get him. I think he's on there. He had a good pull on it there for a little bit. There he comes. I'm gonna drag him up here, and then I'm gonna check this one because it went slack. He might be on there. I don't think so. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, he's on there. But it's not real aggressive. They're just eating it and pretty much laying there. But they're probably cold. Man, I'm gonna have a heck of a mess of fish to put in the freezer. I ain't complaining about that. Not one bit. Come on in here. And good size eaters. Yeah, he might have been hooked for a while. He's a little tangled up. I thought he was bigger than that. But he's just wrapped up. All right. Well, he ain't wrapped up too bad. I think he just come unwrapped. What hook? Adot Gamakatsu did the job. I like him Gamakatsu hooks. They're good and sharp. Stay sharp. There we go. What we got? 6 catfish in there in that drum. I'll probably throw him back. And let's get this guy. Whoop. Another good eater. You want to see the fish? Okay. Here's another good eater. You can walk down here and look at all of them we got. Come on.
Yeah.
Grab my hand so you don't fall. We got 7 catfish in a drum. That ain't bad morning the fishing, is it?
Yep.
Yep.
Keep them.
We are.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's bait our hooks back up.
Hey, why is there an opening?
Wow, there just is. I don't know. Let's bait our hooks back up. All right, y'all, we're gonna get out of here. It's starting to sprinkle. Here's what we got that we're taking home. We got 5 keepers.
Ring, ring, ring.
I let the 2 smallest ones go in the drum. We let it loose. But this is enough for us to mess with today. But anyway, hope y'all enjoy this video. If so, make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button for us. You want to see more, hit subscribe. Thank y'all.